Hey guys, today's video, I have a code for Build a Boat for Treasure, guys. so, so far the best code I like is the Cannon Crazy code because it gives the thrusters. I think it was that one, right? No, that one gave like 25 cannons. Yeah, Cannon Crazy, that one gave 25 cannons, and cannons are very useful. Okay, so guys, here is the code. The code is nothing, and if we press redeem, there we go. 25 wood, 100 gold as you see, 25 glass, 1 star block, and that's all. So yeah, guys, and look, the 4th of July fireworks are not on sale anymore, guys. So I was actually about to go buy some. Oof. Okay. Oh. Okay, guys, we'll see you all later. Bye.